Why is it that some men don't look rich, don't look like models, yet women feel instantly comfortable around them, trust them, even fall for them? While other guys, who try harder and say the right things, still get ignored, rejected, or stuck in the friend zone. This isn't luck. This is something deeper. And today, you're about to understand exactly what it is. Why some men naturally attract women. The hidden difference. Most men think attraction starts with looks, money, or confidence. But the truth is, before any of that matters, a woman's mind is asking one question. Am I safe with him? Not just physically, but emotionally too. And the men who understand this, they don't chase attraction. They create it naturally. The story that explains everything. Imagine a man, completely average. No luxury lifestyle. No model looks. Nothing flashy. Yet somehow, women feel drawn to him. They open up easily, relax around him, and genuinely enjoy his presence. What's different about him? It's not what he says. It's how he makes them feel. The power of subtle behavior. Instead of invading personal space, he naturally gives it. He stands in a way that feels open, not controlling. Without saying anything, his body language communicates. I respect your space. And in moments where tension appears, he becomes aware. Not aggressive, not dominant, just present. That awareness creates comfort, and comfort creates trust. The mindset shift. Most men think, what if she rejects me? But the man who stands out thinks, how does she feel right now? That one shift changes everything. Because when a woman feels comfortable, her guard drops. And when her guard drops, connection begins. Emotional safety, the real game. Here's where most men fail. They either try too hard to please, or try too hard to impress. Both destroy emotional safety. The man who succeeds is different. He is calm, honest, and grounded. He says what he feels without fear. He doesn't fake confidence, he lives it. And that creates something rare: trust. Respect before attraction. Attraction doesn't come first. Respect does. Instead of being unsure or hesitant, he is clear and decisive. Not arrogant, not pushy, just certain. He respects himself, and that naturally earns respect from others. And when respect is there, attraction follows. The truth most men miss. This kind of presence isn't something you're born with. It's something you learn, through experience, through mistakes, through awareness. You don't need to change your looks. You don't need to become someone else. You just need to understand this one principle. When a woman feels safe, she opens up. When she opens up, she connects. And when she connects, attraction becomes real. So next time you meet a woman, don't focus on impressing her. Don't try to win her. Instead, ask yourself one simple question. Does she feel comfortable around me right now? Because the man who understands this doesn't chase attention, he naturally attracts it.